Hello again, everybody. Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV. Great new floor plan. It's the 2025 Grand Design Reflection Travel Trailer, the 322 FKTS. As you can see, front window, front kitchen, great floor plan, great couples floor plan, 2 slide outs, rear bathroom, king size bed, washer dryer prep. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. All right, as soon as you walk in, to the right, your front kitchen, your living area, slide out, refrigerator. You got your bedroom, then bathroom. Bathroom in the rear. In the bedroom looking forward, so great setup there with that front kitchen, lots of countertop. That's where we're going to start. Grand Design's doing that front window now in the Reflection Travel Trailer. Great natural light, roller shade, large sink, stainless. You got the extended spray head, receptacles, lighting, overhead cabinetry with the shocks, your Furrion microwave, 3-burner range, large residential size oven, up front storage there, nice setup here. Drawers, trash can built in. Silverware drawer. What else we got here? Look at this. Multiple with the your larger spoons and cooking utensils. A neat little setup there. TV's on a swivel arm, so easy access to the back of that, to the hookups. You've got bar stools, sitting area, a little cubby hole storage down there. Pet bowls. Receptacle and charging areas right here at the bar. Your sound system, your Compass Connect, control your slides, awning, holding tanks. More little cubby holes there. Your theater seats. Cup holders, charging area, like so. All 3 feet kick out. Again, right across from the TV. Max air fan, lights overhead. Fire escape window, and your windows here open and all have the blackout roller shades. Light switch here for those. Then you got your Furrion refrigerator freezer with the travel lock. So nice feature there. You don't have to worry about them popping open going down the road. Sink cover, no frost. Little accent wall here, a little lighter wood. You got some hanging max air controls and your thermostat for your AC. Nice pantry, all your goodies in there. Your tire monitoring, your travel Wi-Fi. Heat ducts not in the floor, and you got little motion sensor lighting, overhead storage. Ducted AC, air ducts, speakers throughout. Working our way into the bedroom, you got a pocket door to close off the bedroom from the living area. As soon as you come in, you got some down low drawers, you got the magnets that hold them shut. Hanging storage. Thermostat here for the second AC. light switch. Nice little area here for putting on your makeup or sitting, hanging out. Spot for a TV. Charging areas, receptacle. Another hanging storage and more drawers. King size bed. Receptacle, charging areas on both sides. Heat duct. And then under the bed, you got storage area, and that's a good place to store those bar stools when you're traveling. They got the straps built in. Little cubby holes for storage. And then lighting and storage up top. Again, shocks that hold these up for you. Windows on either side, soft touch headboard, and you got the blackout roller shades. Rear bathroom, again, another pocket door, so 3 distinct separate rooms. Huge bathroom. As soon as you come in, great storage, lighter cabinetry. Your hot water heater controls, all your lights controls, exhaust fan, a light in the shower. I'm 6'5", still got room. I'm not even in that area yet. But you got a bench, a little ledge, nice shower head. Dual sinks, nice little corner stores. You got receptacles, towel bars, medicine cabinets on both his and her sinks. Spot for a trash can, motion sensor light, little night light, I guess. And then you're prepped for washer dryer. Or leave the shelf, take the shelf out. You got more hanging storage. So huge bathroom. I got plenty of room for 2 people in here to change, to go to the bathroom. So nice setup with that rear bathroom. So Reflection did a good job. Front kitchen. Let's work our way outside. Take a look out there. Hey, before we head out, always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Also check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, moving to the outside. Check out that windshield, Reflection logo. You got your 7-pin holder. Model number on the tongue jack, 2 30-pound LP bottles, spot for your batteries, nice cap. 322's got a dry weight, 8,804 pounds. You're prepped for the Furrion side cameras, auto leveling, tire link dock. Let's get up in here. Look how much room we got in here. I'm in the storage here. Battery disconnect, your solar disconnect, solar controller, your power converter. You've also got non-skid flooring. You've got motion sensor light, heat ducts, feed everything through the bottom, outside shower, winterization, black tank flush, nice thick slam latch doors with the magnets, 2 slide outs. You've got storage here from under the bed. Again, magnets for that. Your sewer connection, backside of your furnace, your hot water heater, 50 amp service. Receiver on the back. You've got a 300-pound weight rating. Good for bike rack, storage bin, something like that. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. All right, you got your dual AC, 370 watts, solar panels, TV antenna, roof vents, top of your slides. Got prep for a backup camera. Long power awning. You got the crank hole there for your spare tire. Goodyear Endurance tires. Your auto leveling jacks with the big pads. Connection for TV. You've got the Morrod safety rail. Folds right up out of the way. Step above entry steps. Friction hinge on the door, stays where you leave it. And you got the screen defender by Lippert for the pets. You got the leash hookup, which is right down here, if I can get down, which is there. Nice clean underbelly, spot for a sewer hose, LP quick connect, exhaust for your range. Other side of that pass-through storage, power, motion sensor light, nice clean storage. Your brand new 2025 Grand Design Reflection 322 FKTS. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised with the slide in, you can get through if you need to go to the sink, cook anything, full access to the refrigerator, freezer, and then you can just climb over the bed to get in the bathroom. So you can get into just about everything with the slides in.